Welcome to the ABC Learning Adventure. Let's discover all the fun and amazing things we can learn with each letter of the alphabet. A is for apple. Look at this shiny red apple. Can you say apple? B is for ball. This bouncy ball is so much fun. Can you say ball? C is for cat. This fluffy cat loves to play. Can you say cat? D is for dog. This happy dog loves to fetch. Can you say dog? E is for elephant. This big elephant has a long trunk. Can you say elephant? F is for fish. Look at this colorful fish swimming. Can you say fishes? G is for grapes. These purple grapes are sweet and juicy. Can you say grapes? H is for hat. This cool hat is perfect for sunny days. Can you say hat? I is for ice cream. What a delicious treat. Can you say ice cream? J is for jellyfish. This wobbly jellyfish floats in the sea. Can you say jellyfish? K is for kite. Let's fly this kite high in the sky. Can you say kite? L is for lion. This brave lion has a big roar. Can you say lion? M is for monkey. This silly monkey loves to swing. Can you say monkey? N is for nest. Look, baby birds are in their cozy nest. Can you say nest? O is for octopus. This octopus has so many arms. Can you say octopus? P is for penguin. This cute penguin waddles in the snow. Can you say penguin? Q is for queen. The queen wears a shiny crown. Can you say queen? R is for rainbow. Look at all the beautiful colors. Can you say rainbow? S is for Sunday. The sun is bright and warm in the sky. Can you say Sunday? T is for train. Shoo! The train is going fast. Can you say train? U is for umbrella. An umbrella keeps us dry from the rain. Can you say umbrella? V is for violin. Listen to the beautiful music. Can you say violin? W is for watermelon. This watermelon is so juicy and sweet. Can you say watermelon? X is for X-ray. An X-ray helps us see bones inside. Can you say X-ray? Y is for yo-yo. This yo goes up and down. Can you say yo? Z is for zebra. Look at the zebra's black and white stripes. Can you say zebra? Now, let's go through all the letters we've learned today. A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cat. Why don't you try saying it? Thanks for joining the ABC Learning Adventure. Come back soon for more fun.